everyone, this is Nyla, and today we're at Escala Tagaytay. We'll enjoy this calming place, but let me show you how it looks. Guys, this is the mini bar with snacks, but guys, I am warning you, the more you eat, the more you pay. So guys, make sure you bring your own snacks. I feel like I don't want to step my foot out. This bed is so comfy. And here is the bathroom, guys, where you could do your business and shower. How incredible is that? Comfy the couches are, and the bed is so comfy too. I could just hop right on it. We have the best view. And I really love the view. It's so beautiful. I think this is the best view we had yet. This hotel has the most beautiful view of Taal Volcano. I love this balcony view. It's so amazing. I feel like I'm so close to the volcano. If I just step, I'm already there. It is the smallest active volcano in the world. Wow guys, this pool is so big. I can't wait to swim. And this is the garden where you could walk around and look at the beautiful volcano very close up, trust me. This is the spa. It's very neat and it's very relaxing. This is where you could have a massage, and be careful guys, you might fall asleep. Here's the yummy pastries full of cakes, strawberry shortcake, and a lot of more. It looks so good, guys. I want to just gumble it all up. Here could dine in and eat all the food you want, and it's very good. And you could even see the Taal Volcano, guys. How good is that?